Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to flush the engine oil on your vehicle. The engine flush product I am using here is from Amsoil and can be used on the transmission too. Typically, a flush should be used when you are switching from a conventional to synthetic, may have sludge or forms of deposits within the engine, noisy lifters, moisture in the oil, or the engine has been sitting for an extended period of time. In this case, the previous owner wasn't sure if they used synthetic oil or not, so just to be safe, I am running an engine flush. A flush should be done just before an oil change. I have already brought the engine up to full operating temperature. When it is at full operating temperature, the oil will flow better, and with the additive, this allows it to move around easier in the engine, cleaning away any deposits. In order to change the oil, you either have to elevate the vehicle with a jack or use drive-on ramps, which I am doing. Turn the engine off and then add the additive. This particular car I'm working with here today is a 2007 Volvo C30 equipped with a T5. The reason I have already drove the vehicle onto ramps is so that I do not apply any engine load which is required by the flush additive. Allow the vehicle to run for about 10 minutes, up to 15 depending on the severity of engine sludge. While your engine oil does have some detergent, this additive is a stronger detergent which maximizes cleaning action within the engine. Once you've reached the time limit, turn it off and now change the oil as you would normally. This should be done when the engine is still hot so the oil flows best. Oil change procedures will vary between vehicles. For this particular car, the belly pan does need to be removed in order to access the drain plug. Now remove the drain plug with the oil pan directly below it. Allow the oil to drain. This vehicle uses a cartridge oil filter, therefore it can be replaced while the engine oil is still draining. Remove the old oil filter and then replace with a new filter. The cartridge style filter does require a new O-ring on the cap housing as well. Install that and then reinstall the new filter. Tighten the cap down to factory specifications. Go back under the car and install the drain plug. Replenish the engine with the correct weight that meets your vehicle's specifications. For this, as mentioned earlier, I am adding synthetic oil. Check the oil level as needed. Then start the engine and check for any leaks. Reinstall the belly pan. This car has about 125,000 kilometers, so there should not be any sticking components within the engine. However, I was slightly worried about deposits which may have been left behind from conventional oil. Unfortunately, it will be hard to determine if there was any deposits in the oil, as it will have dissolved and mixed in. This oil already required a replacement, so it's naturally discolored over its lifespan. The old oil can be disposed of as it should be. Some repair shops or auto parts stores can do that for you. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.